Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add clothes to a dummy in Roblox Studio. Alright, let's begin. First, open Roblox Studio and create a new experience. Click on Avatar in the top menu, then select Rig Builder. Choose your dummy type, with R15 block avatars being the most common. Place the dummy in your workspace, and in the Explorer tab, expand the rig to access body colors. Here you can change the colors of individual parts like the legs, torso, and head. To add clothes to your dummy, go to the Plugins tab and click Manage Plugins. Press the plus icon, select Plugins, and search for Accessory Inserter. Install it and then close the window. After installing, click Insert Accessory to add clothing. Now, open a browser and visit the Roblox website, making sure you are signed in. Go to the marketplace and select the clothing item you want, like pants, shirts, or hats. Copy the asset ID from the URL. Head back to Roblox Studio, select your dummy, and paste the ID into the accessory inserter, then click Apply. The clothing will instantly appear on your dummy. You can repeat the same process to add t-shirts, hats, and other accessories. So that's basically how you can add clothes to a dummy in Roblox Studio. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.